In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link or connect credit card account to QuickBooks Online. Connecting your credit card lets QuickBooks bring in your recent transactions automatically, which saves time, reduces data entry, and helps keep your books accurate for reconciliations and reporting. Start by opening your QuickBooks Online company in a web browser. Make sure you're using a stable internet connection and that you have your credit card's online banking login handy. This connection is read-only and secure, and you can disconnect it later if needed, so you stay in control of your data. Once you're in QuickBooks, look to the left-hand navigation and click on Accounting. This is the hub for your chart of accounts, bank feeds, and reconciliations. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. The wording can vary by region and updates, but you're looking for the Accounting area in the main menu. Within Accounting, select Bank Transactions. This is where your connected accounts live and where new transactions will appear in the For Review tab. If this is your first time here, the page may be mostly empty. That's normal until you connect an account. Now click Link Account. QuickBooks will prompt you to choose the account you want to connect. Use the search bar to find your credit card provider and select it. From there, follow the secure prompts from your bank to authorize the connection. If you have multiple cards or sub-accounts under the same provider, be careful to choose the specific credit card you want to bring into QuickBooks. If QuickBooks asks which account to connect to on your books, select the appropriate credit card account so transactions flow to the right place. As a tip, avoid connecting the same card twice to prevent duplicate feeds. After you confirm, QuickBooks will start pulling in recent transactions. Depending on your bank, you may be able to choose how far back to import. Pick the time frame that matches what you plan to review and reconcile. When the connection completes, you'll see a tile for the card with its balance and a last updated time. Head to the For Review tab to begin categorizing transactions into the correct expense or liability accounts, adding vendors, and attaching receipts where applicable. If something doesn't appear right away, give it a few minutes and then refresh. You can also use Update within bank transactions to pull the latest data. That's it, your credit card is now linked, and your bookkeeping just got a lot easier.